is Sarah Daldoss. I'm a high school science teacher here at Nile Academy. I'm also the head of our Science Academic Team. So this is an extracurricular that Nile offers, and it aims to encourage students who are interested in science and careers in science in exploring topics that they normally wouldn't get to encounter in their day-to-day classroom. Currently, we are working to prepare ourselves for the Brain Bee, which is offered by the University of Toronto. It's a written online competition based around concepts around the brain as well as neuroscience. So students are learning about how the brain and our nervous system work together to control behaviors such as sleep, our cognitive thinking ability, as well as stress.